Lexus Sunshine 83, it's always sunny here.
Hey Sunshiners, Lexus Sunshine 83 right here. Hello, super sunny day. What is up? Today's video is a little bit different. If you saw my last decluttering video, I'm sure you're looking at this like, Alexa, what happened? You were so organized. Well, basically, I'm moving and I haven't really talked about it. I've actually been like planning this move since August, and I actually technically did move, but then I had to move back. It's very complicated. Basically, I do live at home. I technically go to school full time, and so just don't have the money. Still gonna be living at home, but I'm just going to a different house. There, I kind of have like two different rooms as well. I have like an office and then my actual bedroom, and I actually have a walk-in closet. I feel like I've just been so off, not only like mentally, but also my environment. Like, I feel like I just couldn't get it together. I personally love moving videos and like decorating videos, so I figured I would just like film it for you guys. I'm not like, I was about to say I don't have that much stuff. Start this new journey of a new place together. I kind of want to show you guys like a before of like what my stuff looks like right now, and I somehow am going to have to pack it up. So again, this is my, everything is, my bathroom is horrible. Please don't unsubscribe because of it. And then this is like my bedroom slash filming room. Yeah. Okay, so I'm now basically in the new house and nothing has really happened except an explosion of all my clothes. Like, I haven't put anything away. I had like just stayed the night for the first time yesterday. But what we're gonna do first is actually decorate. So my vines, my lights, I even got like a really cool tapestry. It's gonna be very similar as to like what it's already kind of looked like all my rooms that I've had, with like a little extra like spice to it. So this is like what we're dealing with right now. So we took a break, got some coffee, and now it's time to organize my clothes. I'm hoping to actually organize by color and just make it look pretty. And this one is a walk-in closet, which I've never had. The denim. In case you're wondering how many jackets I own, I'm going to put this, all of these in the other room because I don't have enough room for my jackets in here at all. Now there are no clothes on the ground. But now I'm going to go into the bathroom because that's a whole nother story. Honestly, like, I didn't really film the process of going through my makeup. And I have this kind of organized, and then also kind of that organized. Yeah, I just like don't like makeup, and so I don't like to have a lot of it, even though you're looking at all these brushes like, girl, what's wrong with you? But like, I don't really use most of them. This is what my office looks like. Wow. Alright, so we had finished. There are some things that I definitely want to kind of like add, but to be honest, I think overall I am good to go. So one of my favorite things about my room is I now have 2 big windows. Obviously sunshine. I need some sort of like nature or sun kind of like peeking through. So that's probably my favorite thing. Moving on to kind of the whole decor. I obviously have my vines and my lights that I've always had. I just got them on Amazon. I will leave them linked right down below, but I've had them for like, I don't know, like 2 years or something. I did add something a little bit special, which is this really awesome cactus succulent tapestry. I've been really wanting it, so I'm so excited, especially because I now have a bedspread that is like black, which I was quite scared about just because I've always had like a white one, so I didn't want it to kind of like deteriorate from the like brightness of the room. The nice part about this actual duvet is it has so much white in it. It is originally from Society 6. It's their Constellation, and I just got the pillows with it. It's really nice and honestly doesn't like make the room too like dreary over here. Right over here, I finally have like an actual nightstand. I haven't had one in quite a while, and I just added some faux plants. I got a couple of these from Savers, a friend, Target. Jasmine got me this from England. I obviously have another one of my faux plants, of course. Got Winnie the Pooh, obviously. I really want to keep it as like clean as possible kind of around here. I am going to be like filming here, so I'll have like my cameras and all that jazz. I will also be doing like a really cool like Polaroid wall. Right now I still need to get like the tape for it, hopefully soon, and that will just go right here. Onto the other side, we have my butterfly wall art. We got another one of my faux plants. I have my coffee sign from Target, art thing that I got from Savers. Right next to that, we actually have my like hat wall. Now my boyfriend actually was like, oh my gosh, like we should do it as like a circle around, you know, this like plant thing. Honestly, don't wear my hats as often anymore, so they're almost like decoration basically. Obviously I said my windows are my favorite part, but let's be real, my closet is one of my favorite parts. So right over here, which I just got my Polaroid camera, right in here we have my walk-in closet. And I organized it by color as well, which I definitely think is like just good. It's nice to just like organize because I'm scared it's gonna become a mess. So my black stuff is probably the most that I have. And then I got my white, and then I just got like my fun colors, my like overalls and stuff. And then I decided to just kind of like fold on top like my jeans, my mom jeans, my black jeans. I have my Doc Martens over here, sweatshirts, leggings, and then I just have some shoes right here. I'm not really gonna like show too much of the bathroom because it's pretty like basic, some stuff, but it is nice that then it's just like connected to the room. Then to kind of like wrap it up, I'm gonna show you guys my office, just because it is kind of one of the big things I did do. My obviously favorite rack, my denim rack. I was really trying to figure out how to put it in my actual room, and I just couldn't, so I was like, I'll just put it over here. Everything kind of organized. I have another closet, I got my computer, and that's about it. But yeah, I just kind of want to like show you guys me moving, the process of it, just because it has been, like I said, something that I've been waiting for such a long time. Also because my video on Sunday, I'm gonna have this background, and I don't want to be like, oh, just like wait till like the whole room tour thing, and I just figured I would do it all together. So I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you guys do like thrifty videos, thrift hauls, thrifting with me, make sure you subscribe right down below and hit that little bell to be notified every time I make a new video. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, AlexSunshine83. They actually knew that I was moving before you guys. I'm sorry, it just happened. But I will see you guys this Sunday with a brand new Sunny Sunday video. Enjoy life, be happy, and I love you lots. Bye!